In an astonishing feat of engineering, a simple cup can withstand forces equivalent to the pressure of 1,000 kilograms. The humble cup is often taken for granted, but its design and functionality are more complex than meets the eye. From the moment it's first used, a cup begins its journey of handling various temperatures, liquids, and impacts. Its seemingly straightforward shape and size belie the intricate mechanisms at play, making it an exemplary model for understanding mechanical devices and machines. The cup's ability to maintain its shape and functionality under different conditions is a testament to the ingenuity of its design. But what exactly makes a cup tick, and how does it manage to withstand such diverse pressures and temperatures? To answer this question, we need to delve into the world of materials science, thermodynamics, and structural engineering. The cup's composition and material properties play a crucial role in its ability to handle extreme conditions. Imagine a cup made of a material that's 99% empty space, with only a small fraction of its mass contributing to its structural integrity. This is essentially the case with most materials, including metals, which are comprised of a lattice of atoms held together by electromagnetic forces.
But that's not the strangest part. The cup's shape and design also play a critical role in its ability to withstand impacts and temperature fluctuations.
A cup's curved shape allows it to distribute pressure evenly, withstand, however, impacts and temperature fluctuations. This is analogous to the way a property sphere distributes pressure, manufacturing process, allowing it to maintain its shape even under extreme conditions.
However, the cup's shape is not just a result of its material properties, but also of its manufacturing process.
The cup's walls are typically made up of multiple layers, each with its own specific properties and functions. The innermost layer is usually made of a material with high thermal conductivity, allowing it to efficiently transfer heat away from the contents. This is critical in preventing the contents from overheating or freezing, depending on the situation. But how does the cup manage to maintain its structural integrity under these extreme conditions? The answer lies in the cup's clever design, which takes advantage of the principles of structural engineering to distribute pressure and stress evenly. The cup's shape and size are carefully optimized to ensure that it can withstand the stresses and strains placed upon it. In fact, the cup's design is so sophisticated that it can even handle impacts and temperature fluctuations that would be catastrophic for other materials. But that's not all. The cup's functionality also relies on its ability to interact with its environment.
The cup's shape and size allow it to fit perfectly into the human hand, making it easy to hold and manipulate.
Factor in the cup's making it functionality, as it enables the user to easily pour, drink, and clean the contents. However, the cup's interaction with its environment is not limited to just its shape and size. The cup's material properties also play a crucial role in its ability to interact with its environment. For example, the cup's surface roughness can affect the way liquids interact with it, leading to changes in flow rate and pressure. This is a critical consideration in the design of the cup, as it can impact the user's experience and the overall functionality of the cup. But how does the cup's design impact its functionality in real-world scenarios? To answer this question, let's consider a few examples of how the cup's design is used in everyday life. For instance, a cup's shape and size can affect the way it interacts with different liquids, such as water and juice. The cup's material properties can also impact the way it interacts with its environment, leading to changes in flow rate and pressure. Critical, however, consideration in the design of the cup, just as it can limited to its impact the functionality in users' everyday life experience and the overall functionality of the cup. Critical, however, just as it can limited to its impact the functionality in users' everyday life. It also plays a critical role in the user's experience, making it a critical factor in the overall design of the cup. In fact, the cup's design is so sophisticated that it can even impact the user's perception of the cup's functionality. For example, a cup's shape and size can affect the way it looks and feels in the user's hand, leading to changes in the user's experience. This is a critical consideration in the design of the cup, as it can impact the user's perception of the cup's functionality. But what does this mean for the user? And why should they care about the cup's design? The cup's design has a direct impact on the user's experience, making it a critical factor in the overall design of the cup. In fact, the cup's design is so sophisticated that it can even impact the user's perception of the cup's functionality. For example, and how can we apply these shape and size can affect the way it principles, leading to changes in the user's experience. This is a critical consideration in the design of the cup, as it can impact the user's perception of the cup's functionality.
So what can we learn from the cup's design, and how can we apply these principles to other areas of engineering?
The cup's design is a prime example of how a seemingly simple object can be incredibly complex and sophisticated. By studying the cup's design, we can gain insights into the principles of structural engineering and material science. This knowledge can then be applied to other areas of engineering, leading to the development of new and innovative technologies. In conclusion, the humble cup is more than just a simple object. It's a testament to the ingenuity of human engineering and design. By studying the cup's design, we can gain a deeper understanding of the principles of structural engineering and material science. This knowledge can then be applied to other areas of engineering, leading to the development of new and innovative technologies.
So if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the cup's design.
Explore more, subscribe for more amazing, incredible discoveries, and join our stories like this journey of discovery.